My name is Stephen Biss. I'm a lawyer in Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. I am also a qualified Intoxilyzer breath alcohol technician, and I've also taken the Data Master Supervisor's course. In Ontario, Canada, the instrument that we use most frequently is the Intoxilyzer 5000C. The Intoxilyzer 5000C is an Intoxilyzer 5000 64 series. This instrument was evaluated by the RCMP and the Centre of Forensic Sciences in the late 1980s. It uses the same technology as a TRS-80 Radio Shack computer. In the meantime, the Americans have moved far beyond this instrument to later instruments, the Intoxilyzer 5000 66 series and Intoxilyzer 5000 EN series, and then still beyond that to the Intoxilyzer 8000. And so the instrument that we're using in Ontario is 3 generations behind state-of-the-art. I'm going to show you a standard test using an Intoxilyzer 5000 64 series. The instrument first runs through an air blank in order to clean out anything that was in the instrument from the previous test. Unfortunately, however, because it's an infrared instrument, it also is readjusting 0. Then the instrument runs through some internal diagnostic tests, but it doesn't check everything inside it. Then it runs a calibration check just to see how an alcohol standard matches up against the readings on the instrument. In this particular instance, the instrument is using a 100 alcohol standard, and we're seeing how close the instrument is coming to that, and we're seeing that this instrument is about 5 milligrams per 100 mils within what it should be of 100 milligrams per 100 mils. Then the instrument runs another air blank in order to purge out that alcohol. But what I'm going to show you next is what happens if I put a drop of vodka on my tongue. I don't have any alcohol in my system now. I'll put a drop of alcohol on my tongue right now. And in a moment, I'm going to blow into this instrument, and we're going to see if I get a breath reading. I just blew 64 milligrams per 100 mils with no alcohol in my system. Do you trust technology from the 1980s? Isn't it about time that in Ontario we moved to an instrument that was 3 generations beyond what we are using now? Don't plead guilty. You need to speak to a lawyer who understands these instruments. Phone me, Stephen Biss, at 905-273-3322, or call my toll-free number 1-877-273-3322.